BINA Integrated Industries Sdn Bhd was established in 2005 as a manufacturer of construction chemicals. We produce three major products. First is waterproofing. We produce waterproofing for roof, toilet and balcony. The second one is a protective coating to protect steel or concrete from corrosion or carbonation. And the third one is a paint. We produce interior and exterior paint. Green products is mean low volatile organic compound. The product when we apply to the surface, very low volatile organic compound and heavy metal free. The product is free from heavy metal such as barium, cadmium and arsenic. The advantages for green products, first for human being, because the product will protect human from cancer and from other disease. And for environment, this product is good. You can recycle and very minimum wastage. My future planning is to expand our local market segment, and the second to go for export market. Right now, we are following market, going to Myanmar and Indonesia, and coming soon to Philippines. In terms of collaboration, we have made MOU with overseas company for nanotechnology collaboration.